Hello friend. Today's discussion topic is dynamics of corruption. Corruption is a phenomena which reflects the quality and level of governance of country. In the specific context of India, Yan Vittal, the former Vigil Commissioner, identifies five basic reasons which account for the rising level of corruption. These five reasons are as follows. The first reason is scarcity of goods and resources provided by the government. The government provides lot of goods and services like jobs, license, admissions to medical and engineering colleges, land, public utility services, and so on. People bribes to the government officers to get these goods and services speedily or illegitimately. The second cause of corruption is red tape and complicated rules and procedure. Third reason is lack of transparency in decision making. Fourth reason is legal cushions for the corrupt. And finally, the fifth reason is tribalism amongst the corrupt who protect each other. Dwivedi and Mishra have explained the causes of corruption in India by following mathematical formula. The formula is very interesting. According to that formula, corruption is equal to, in bracket, discretion plus mystification, bracket is complete, is greater than accountability. With greater discretion and mystification, corruption level will tend to rise. It is essential that the instruments of accountability must always be greater than the factors of discretion and mystification in the system of governance. Then there are five types of costs which corruption imposes on the society. These costs are as follows. First cost is loss of public resources through leakage in taxes, duties, and levies. The second cost is misallocation of public resources. The third one is low investment because of lack of trust and confidence in public institutions. Fourth is high cost and low quality of public services. And finally, the cost which is incurred by corruption on society is increased insecurity and vulnerability of the poor. To conclude, corruption impedes economic growth and breeds vested interest. What is not realized is that corruption, like inflation, works like a regressive tax and hurts the poor most. Thank you for watching my video.